do you have Morocco on your face?
2020 is adduunyo gadoon.
How do you know?
islaan ayay oo ordayso 660 inch 4K television madax u saaran aan Instagram-kan ka arkay.
What is she going to do with lih television when the Qiyamah is coming?
Maybe while she is in the grave, she doesn't want to miss musalsalka Qoto Qoto.
How will she fit 6 television in her grave?
Wallahi sheeko ayada u taala waaye.
How wallahi warunta.
Gil, I think we need to buy a gun.
Oh, gun. ملك الموت ما اسكيك دفاعي.
War socod doqon yaw.
What is the gun for then?
To protect ourselves.
From who?
The people that are robbing the houses.
Those people are our friends. If they come inside, tell them you want to break or take anything, you are welcome.
Mawalan tayo adiga.
No, they are our friends fighting for our brother Oladili.
Saas miya.
What the heck?
Don't move, otherwise I'll shoot.
Can Uncle Shega why Lifterkisa? He's our friend.
Mahawa azay miya.
Welcome, brother. We are waiting for you. Yes, you can take and break whatever you want.
Okay.
Yes, we are fighting for our dear brother.
Which brother?
We can help you. Come in, please. Come in. We have kahwa.
Oh, stay away from me. You guys are crazy, man.
I know we all are crazy. Wait. Come back. Come back.
If you don't like our videos, please give us a beautiful thumbs down.
And leave us the best negative comments. Du'an idinku darena.